department's boat, but conservation. All the time, and they bring and they trade and they sell bait. I'm thinking of taking a day, leaving at 7 in the morning or 8 in the morning, and driving around all of Door County and coming back.
Yeah.
I haven't been up to like Sister Bay in years, and I just have a hankering to go up there, and I'll go up to the Peninsula, take a day off of this place.
We'll see.
I've never been to the I mean, it's blowing 11. It hasn't gotten over 11. Having a hard time walking. I'll put some more runs out that he's slipping and sliding. Even he walks like that though, even outside. He sits down a lot. His little legs, he can't keep his little legs underneath him. He's very happy. There's a bed right by the book. Got the book. You don't have to do had what? She had to lend him $400. Girl, your hearing aids aren't in. She had to give him $400. I heard that. Okay. Lindsay came up for the first two. She went to the game with her dad.
Hazy,
obvious, huh? It's hazy though.
Yeah, the humidity's kind of high today.
When I went to the gas station, I saw someone was at the gas station and it was a truck and pulled in with not the police department boat, but the conservation. So now if the police try and stop you again, can they just look up Boomerang?
Yeah,
and find your
that's
stuff?
what he did. Well, he just looked up my name. That's why he asked for the name.
Yeah, but I mean, before he stops you, can he look at Boomerang?
They could, I think. I don't know if it's. Yeah, I didn't.
Stops you, can he look at Boomerang?
They could, I think. I don't know if it's. Yeah, it is.
Now he's going to say, get your Wisconsin weekend, right?
He could say that. No. It's not like we don't have like 400 of them down there.